Rating People's Pets, Part 31. This cat is beautiful, like gorgeous. Obviously gets a 10 out of 10. This cat looks like he's struggling with some mental issues. 10 out of 10. Lovely tuxedo cat here. These kind of photos always tend to look like the Ice Age baby. 10 out of 10 though. This person's brown rat looks moisturized, so if you can tell me what conditioner they use, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. This dog looks like he has human teeth. 7 out of 10. Love these torties. They do be looking demonic though. 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Your bunny, sir, looks like a wizard. 10 out of 10. 21 pounds, dear god. He looks very wide. 10 out of 10. And lastly, we got this cat who's going down the sink drain. 10 out of 10.